you're going to fold this edge to this edge. And this is not a boomerang plane. And this plane doesn't lock up. You're going to put this one all the way to here. So you're going to take the whole layer. And now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And you're not going to convert it into a square like other people do. And do the same. I mean, that's a square now. Something like that. And now you are going to get this. And you're going to fold the right top edge to the center crease. And now the left top edge to a center crease. If it overlaps your center crease, you're going to leave a little gap. So make sure for this paper airplane, you're going to be using 8.5 by 11 inch paper or A4 paper. And you're just gonna fold this down. Any estimate is correct. Any. So now you're going to fold the edge to the corner. So like this. This edge to this corner. This edge to this corner. Just a bit like that. You're going to fold it out. You're going to put it like this. Or you can make the better version, but it has more stability somehow. I'll show you this version first. The real one. Here's a plane, and now let's try flying it. See, that feels so good.